For 20 months, the account holders of the PMC Bank have not been able to withdraw their own money deposited in the banks, and their problems have only compounded with the COVID-19 lockdown in place. The biggest problem is that they don't even know when they'll have access to their money.
We want justice! We want justice! हमारा पैसा वापस करो! पसीने का पैसा!
And I feel like a beggar. I become a beggar in my own country after giving not less than $10,000 a month to the country as my wages for more than 20 years, 25 years. What have they given me? They don't even bother to look at us. I'm literally sort of, when I go to the Gurudwara, I feel ashamed when the people see me. I've been sailing on passenger ships with the company called Grimaldi, Italian company, and I was the only Indian chief engineer there with them, and they're a massive organization in Italy. With all that pride, I used to take pride in me being an Indian and being in such position, and this is what they have let us down.
71-year-old Surendra Singh, who worked abroad for decades, now can't access his life savings at this bank, PMC. Despite being well off, he now has to rely on a Gurudwara for his meals. He has sold all his gold, and if the situation does not improve, he is planning on selling his house.
Cannot help not thinking of the good old days when we had money. Even if some interest would have been given to us, would have been रोटी चलती थी, अभी रोटी चलना मुश्किल हो गया है.
Neelam Gopi, 63, a retired school teacher, sold one of her flats and deposited 70 lakh rupees in the bank. Now in 20 months, the bank has given them only rupees 1 lakh. That's just a few thousand rupees a month. There's been no money for healthcare, and even other banks want to auction his current house as she hasn't paid the EMI. She says she's ready for retirement, but not her life savings getting locked up with no end in sight.
जब मैंने लोन लिया तो सब लोग बोले, मैं सबको 3-3 महीने का गवर्नमेंट देती थी आश्वासन, 3 महीने के बाद रिवाइव होएगा. तो कभी रिलेटिव से, कभी फ्रेंड से, कभी बेटी से मैंने लिया तो दूंगी. तो 6 महीने हो गए, 9 महीने हो गए, तो नेचुरली लोग सबके साथ प्रॉब्लम आया कोविड का, सब पैसे मांग ले, मैं कहाँ से दूं. बाद में जैसे ही थोड़ा कोविड हुआ और मेरे को शर्म आने लगी कि मैं क्यों दूसरे के पैसे खाऊं. मैंने अपना पूरा गोल्ड भी बेच दिया. मेरे पास विश्वास करो कि 1 ग्राम घर पे गोल्ड नहीं है कि I can sell it and survive.
In the last 20 months, the account holders of PMC have demonstrated and asked for their money, but nothing has happened. Chandar Puraswani, president of the PMC Depositor Forum, points out that there are millions of people who have not been able to get money so far. Despite meeting amongst all the leaders and officials, no solution has been found.
आपको 20 महीने में अभी तक कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं निकाल पाए हो आप, तो लोग कैसे सरवाइव करेंगे. हमारे 160 लोग नियरली मर चुके हैं, 159 टू बी प्रिसाइज मर चुके हैं, जो इस पीएमसी फैमिली में मर चुके हैं. तो ये कितनी दुख की बात है कि गवर्नमेंट ना आरबीआई उसमें कुछ कर रही है, ना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कर रहा है, ना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कर रहा है. तो ये जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा. किसी को तो जिम्मेदारी लेनी पड़ेगी ना, और ये जिम्मेदारी लेने को कोई तैयार नहीं है.
During the Maharashtra elections, the politicians picked up the PMC bank issue, but now it is in back burner. People moved on, but the PMC customers are still unable to move on, and their life is getting difficult every day. In Mumbai with camera person Rajendra Dayalkar, Shohit Mishra, NDTV.